Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. I'm going to show you how to hard reset your Huawei P40 Lite. So to this operation, we're going to show you the box and the model. What is it? Yes, it's this Huawei P40 Lite. So first of all, we have to turn off our phone by pressing the power button here. And after that, let's wait until the phone gonna be wake up. It takes some few seconds. This reset gonna be help if it doesn't remember the password to your phone, or just the software doesn't work properly. As you see, the phone is working, so turn it off. And after that, we have to press and hold volume up and power button together. Keep holding both key after you're gonna see the Huawei logo. And when you're gonna see the logo, release power button, still keep holding volume up. So let's get started. Volume up, power button, keep holding both the key. Phone is vibrating, keep holding. Release power, still holding volume up. Yeah, that's it. Keep holding this button. Still keep holding. Keep holding. Yep, that's it. You can release. And you have a few options here. So we're gonna be clear data, factory reset, right yes, factory reset. Now phone gonna be delete all the data from the phone, so be sure to get a copy before that. Yeah, that's it. You can wipe cache partition, and that's all about the hard reset your phone. Get back, click restart, and your phone gonna be start with the new brand firmware. And that's it. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!